Greetings, SME B2b business superheroes. Frank from Frank Brand speaking frankly about branding. Working smarter, not harder has become that cliched mantra of successful professionals. Now, while staying busy may sometimes give the illusion of productivity, it's important to recognize the detrimental effects it can have both on yourself and your business. Yes, the dreaded burnout, pouring constant effort and money into client acquisition with feast and famine results. Now, although I'm clearly entirely biased, one key aspect of working smarter is ensuring your business brand identity is watertight and perfect across all your platforms. Your website and marketing materials should all seamlessly align, creating a unique and compelling experience when your audience comes in contact with the business. A well-crafted brand identity and messaging and offer has the power to convert mere audiences into conversations and sales and loyal customers, propelling the business forward. So by investing a bit of time and effort into establishing a strategic brand identity, you're essentially creating a valuable machine that works tirelessly even when you're not actively involved. Imagine the potential of having your business operate 24/7, 365 days a year while you focus on delivering your key offering. Delaying the optimization of your brand identity is a missed opportunity for growth. If we take charge of the brand and work smarter, the business will thrive. And if you're struggling to get your head around where to start, just book in a free 15-minute convo and get some clarity. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching and follow me for more business brand tips.